Hello students, today's lecture is on housekeeping budgeting and the topics are concept and importance of budget, types of budget, advantages of budgets and limitations of budget. So before going further, let's discuss about what is budget. A budget is a plan by which resources required to generate revenues are allocated. In other language, a budget is a plan which projects both the revenues the hotel anticipates during the period covered by the budget and the expenses required to generate the anticipated revenues. Now next is types of budget, or we can before going types of budget, we will discuss on first we will discuss on importance of budget. Budget is one of the main planning activities for an executive housekeeper. It is a process by which, based on actual performance of establishment in the past, estimates of expenditure and receipts are made and adjusted for forecasting future outcome. A budget is an estimate of income and expenses for a given period of time. The department heads make the forecast of their respective departments. With these figures as a guide, the financial controller prepares a budget and present it to the top management for final approval. The format of a budget is almost like a profit and loss statement. It is prepared for financial year and is updated monthly and submitted for approval at least 2-3 months before the start of financial year. After all the income projections have been made by the departmental head, the controller reviews them with general manager before starting to implement the proposed budget. Next, types of budget. Budgets may be of different kinds based on the types of expenses involved, the departments and the flexibility of expenses. So categorized by types of expenditure, there are capital budget and operating budgets. Categorized by departments involved, there are master budget and department budget. And in categorized by flexibility of expenditure, fixed budgets and flexible budgets are comes. So first, capital budget. This makes the provision of all the capital expenditure. It takes into the account all type items which are guaranteed to have a lifespan of number of years. It is very important to keep records of purchase and repairs as a form of control. The items which are provided for this type are as follows: large equipments and machines, fixtures and fittings, linen and towels, uniforms, etc. Now, second one is operating budget. It makes the provision for all those items which are needed for day-to-day operation in the department. Number one, cleaning agent, small items of cleaning equipments like rubber gloves, door stops bucket, duster cloth, etc. Third is staff and guest supplies. Fourth one is contract services. Third is pre-opening budget, makes provision for the smooth opening of new hotel, example resources for opening parties, advertising, generation of initial goodwill, initial cost of employees, salaries and wages, etc. On the basis of departments involved, master budget and departmental budgets comes. These represent the forecasted budget for the whole organization and incorporate all incomes and expenditures estimated for the organization. Second one is departmental budget. Each department of the hotel forwards a budget for its estimated expenses and revenues to the financial controller. Example, housekeeping budget, F&B budget, etc. Rooms division budget is the combined budget for both front office and housekeeping. On the basis of flexibility of expenditure, first is fixed budget. These budget remains unchanged over a period of time and are not related to the volume of sale, example rent, insurance, depreciation, etc. Second one is flexible budget. These are also predetermined budget based on the revenue expected but differ with different volume of sale. Now some points related to the advantages of budget. What are they? Number one, budgeting avoids wastages and losses and thus maximum efficiency is attained in the department. Second is budgeting gives management a chance to plan ahead to achieve long-term goals. It increases communication and coordination within the firm. It motivates workforce because of their participation in setting of budgets. Fifth, it leads to identification of areas of efficiency and inefficiency, acts as a yardstick for comparing actual performance. Sixth advantage is the budget gives a control over the expenses in the department. Next, it keeps the manager focused on the departmental financial goals. Next, it keeps the management aware about the different expenses during the budgeted period. It also tells how to allocate the funds, how far the hotel is towards reaching the financial goals. Next one is it helps to organize the expenditures and savings by dividing the money into categories of expenditures and savings. 10th advantage is it provides you with an early warning for potential problems. 11th, it provides a platform for internal audit since regularly evaluating departmental results. 12th point establishes divisional and departmental responsibility, helps in identification of people responsible for deviation from budget. 11th, it enables to produce extra money by identifying and eliminating unnecessary spending like late fees, penalties, and interests. These seemingly small saving can add up over the time to a significant amount. 14 advantages is managements with well-ordered budget plan receive greater favor from credit agencies. 15 point is extent of financing is predetermined, thus avoiding possibility of over or under capitalization. Now some disadvantages, or we can say limitations of budgeting. Number one is it is based on estimates, so it may be not accurate every time. Second one is sometimes one can find it misleading due to change in external factors like market, etc. Managers suffer from inflexibility of budget since they have to operate within the set limits. Fourth, it may make managers complacent if budgeted performance is easy to achieve. If budget is perceived as pressure device on workers, they can get demotivated. Many a time, departmental conflict arises because of competition for resource allocation in budget. Last is short-term perspective of the budget limits the manager's perspective. So these all are the advantages and disadvantages of budgeting. Now here comes some expenses, housekeeping expenses. They are operating expenses in which salaries and wages, employees' benefits, contract services, operating supplies, linen, uniform, pest control, flower and horticultural expenses, miscellaneous expenses, all are comes under the operating expenses. Second expense is capital expenses, which includes equipment and machines, furniture and fixtures. They both are comes under capital expenses, and capital and operating expenses are come under housekeeping expenses. So these are the topic regarding budget. In this unit we have discussed what is budget, definition of budget, types of budget, advantages of budget, disadvantages of budget, and expenses related to the housekeeping. In this we have discussed there are two expenses: operating expenses, capital expenses. And in capital expenses there are salaries and wages, in which largest expense category in the housekeeping. It is one of the largest expense category in the housekeeping department, as the department easily has the largest workforce. And second one is employees benefits. In this PF, staff parties, social events are all are comes under employees benefits. Third is contract services, operating supplies, linen, all types of linen comes under this. Uniforms, pest control, flowers and horticultural expenses, miscellaneous. In miscellaneous expenses, this category include cost of office, stationery items such as logbooks, registers, forms, formats, writing material, and so on, as well as telephone, lighting, water consumption, and other such establishment expenses comes under miscellaneous expenses. And in capital expenses, equipment and machines, this category of expenses include the equipment and machinery used by the housekeeping department, such as floor cleaning machines, vacuum cleaner, and so on. Last one in capital expenses is furniture and fixtures. The budget for guest room furniture and fixtures is under the purview of the housekeeping department, since it is responsible for their cleaning and maintenance. So these all are the topics. Thank you.